I'm going to review Lakme Argan Oil Foundation, and it comes in a packaging like this. As you can see, it has a plastic bottle with the dropper, and dropper is really convenient to fetch out the foundation from the bottle, as your foundation will not go here and there, and there will be no wastage, like, which is a plus point, right? Yeah. So yeah, second thing, it comes in a plastic container, which is really helpful because we always have that horror of breaking our glass bottles. So plastic bottle is good to go. There will be no breakage, and it is travel friendly also, right? So it comes in 6 shades, and my shade is silky golden. Okay, so when I had to choose the shades, there was a lot of confusion in my mind because on the social media accounts of Lakme, there was not so much information, and when I checked the reviews of this foundation, there were not so many people who have reviewed it. So I had to just assume my shade, and then I had to order. So it was just a risk for me. So so you guys can check. So you guys have to check the share online only. I've ordered it from online because in the offline stores it is not available now. It will be available in some time, but I've ordered it from Amazon. Right, it retails for 750 rupees for 15 ml of product. Show you a demo of this foundation on my face, and then I'll begin with my review, right? So I have already applied moisturizer and primer on my face. I've already prepared my skin. Now I'll apply foundation. So one side I'm going to apply with the help of this brush, and one side with the help of the beauty sponge, so we can see which tool is best for applying this and how much coverage it will give, right? See that now I've applied only one layer of the foundation. It's giving me very dewy finish, yet the coverage is sheer to medium, right? So I'm going to layer this product one more time to see that is it buildable or not, and to see that how much coverage that I'm going to get, right? So yeah, let's get started. As you can see now, I've applied 2 layers of this foundation, but it does not feel heavy on my face, which is a plus point, guys. And I've done my all the makeup, and trust me guys, my makeup looks flawless. Like, I don't, like, camera is not picking up right now, but yeah, but it is looking amazing. Like, I just love this foundation. When I see myself in the mirror, I really love my skin. It has made my skin look so healthy, so dewy, so luminous, all those sort of good things. But still, it has not covered my dark circles, as you can see, and I have not applied any concealer, so that I can give you a full stretch review of this foundation. It has covered a bit of my dark circles, but not that much. So I'll say that if you're looking for a sheer to medium, not sheer, you can of course build up this foundation. If you're looking for sheer to medium foundation, so you should really try it, because this foundation is really cool. For everyday purpose, you can just use only one pump and you're good to go, right? And if on the time when you want heavy coverage, you can use twice or thrice pumps, and then it'll be good, right? So yeah guys, okay, so now let's start with the pros of this foundation. First, it comes in a plastic bottle, which is really handy. Second, it comes with a dropper, which helps in not wasting any of your foundation. Third, it is really dewy. It is giving me really good finish. I like it. Fourth, it's really hydrating. As you can see, my skin is not looking dull. It's really looking hydrating and luminous and all that sort of things. And fourth, you can apply it also on your daily basis, right? For the light coverage foundation, when you want that light makeup, right? It'll look really good. The cons of this foundation that I find is that it's a bit too pricey for 15 ml of product. And the second, maybe, like, it's not the con, but for 750 I can expect a foundation which is more giving me more coverage, but I think it's perfect. Like, yeah, I think it's perfect. So yeah, it's even buildable, right? So you can build and get the coverage whichever you want, like, yeah, whichever you prefer. So yeah, that was my review on this foundation. If you like my review, and if you like my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and do like my video, and do not forget to share my video, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll be back really soon. Okay, now for till now, okay, bye. It's time for bye. Bye guys, I just wanted to show you how my foundation looks in daylight, and as you can see, it is looking really dewy and illuminating. Yeah, I really love this foundation. So yeah, okay, bye guys.